Welcome students. Today I am here with another very important video of organic compound, that is its classification. Organic compound. The large number of organic compounds are classified in different ways to make the study easy. The most common way to classify them is on the basis of its origin and its structure. So here we are telling you both classification on the basis of its origin as well as its structure. On the basis of its origin, see here, on the basis of its origin, it is of only two types. One is our natural and another is our synthetic. Natural organic compound and synthetic organic compound. Naturally organic compound are those which we are getting from nature, and synthetic which are man-made. The example for natural organic compound is protein, glucose, starch, cellulose, etc. Whereas synthetic organic compounds are man-made, like medicines and some plastics also, PVC. All these are our natural synthetic organic compound. So on the basis of structure, here is the classification. So first, on the basis of this structure, it can be of two types: when the chain is closed and when the chain is open. When the chain is open, it is called as acyclic or aliphatic, and when the chain is closed, it is called as cyclic compound. Now see here, acyclic compounds means when the first carbon of the chain is not attached with the carbon of last, like see, this will be the structure of open chain. Whereas of closed chain, the first carbon atom is attached with the last one. So this is the closed or cyclic compound. Now closed compound can be of two types: heterocyclic or homocyclic. Heterocyclic compounds are those in which the ring is having different atoms, like nitrogen or oxygen. Ring is attached with different atoms like nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur. And homocyclic is that organic compound when ring is attached with only carbon atoms. Okay. Now when the ring is having only carbon atoms, it again is of two types. It can be alicyclic or aromatic. Alicyclic means when the ring is without alternate double bond. In alicyclic, when the ring is without alternate double bond. Whereas in aromatic, the ring is having alternate double bond. Okay. Now this is our closed chain structure, closed chain compound or cyclic compound. Now if we are moving for open chain or acyclic. Acyclic means when the chain is open. It is of two types: unsaturated compound and saturated compound. Saturated compound, it is consist of carbon-carbon single bond. Single bond is found in between carbon and carbon. It is called as alkane or paraffins. Now if we are talking for unsaturated compound, then it is again of two types, alkene and alkyne. In alkyne, double bond is there, whereas in alkyne, triple bond between carbon and carbon is there. So this is the classification on the basis of its structure. Now, what is homologous series? It is a series of organic compound having same general formula. This I will tell you later on. Having same general formula with same functional group, and therefore they are having same chemical properties. Now what are their general formulas? See, as we have studied here, alkane, alkene and alkyne, three things we have studied. और तीनों में बेटा अंतर क्या है? अल्केन ANE, आई एम राइटिंग इट ANE. ANE में क्या होता है अपना सिंगल बॉन्ड, वेयर एज इन ENE में होता है अपने पास डबल बॉन्ड, एंड इन YNE हमारे पास होता है ट्रिपल बॉन्ड. हमको इसमें ये तीन चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा याद रखनी है. ANE when single bond is there, ENE when double bond is there, and YNE when triple bond is there. Now see its formula. When it is alkane, the formula is CnH2n plus 2. I will explain you here. If it is alkene, alkene का formula बेटा क्या होगा? CnH2n, and alkyne CnH2n minus 2, and alkyl is what? CnH2n minus 1. Now see here, if we are having one carbon, then if we are talking for ANE and then ENE, YNE, what will be its formula? Now see here, N is equal to number of carbon atoms. N is equal to number of carbon atoms. So how many carbon is here? Only one. So formula क्या होगा बेटा? CN, N means 1, H, 2N, 2 into 1 plus 2, क्या बन गया? ये बन गया आपका CH4. Now if we are talking for, तो इसका स्ट्रक्चर कैसा होगा बेटा? It will be like this, H, H, H and H. Now if we are talking for ENE, its formula will be CN, number of carbon atom is how many? 1, H, 2 into 1. So now see here, C, now double bond. Now see, when there is no C here, क्या डबल बॉन्ड पॉसिबल है? Therefore when one carbon atom is there, no double bond is possible. This means we can say that methene not exist. Okay, now last second example, when 2C we are having, 2C or CC like this, what happens here? We will put same formula here, C2H, 2 into 2 plus 2, this becomes our C2H6. This is our alkane. Its structure will be like this. Now if we are talking for this C2, our formula for this will be C2H 4. This means C double bond C. Okay, now if we are talking for YNE, क्या हो जाएगा अपना स्ट्रक्चर? C2H2N minus 2, 4 minus 2. This becomes your C2H2. This means triple bond. Okay, so I am making this structure here. So this is our triple bond, this is our double bond, this is our single bond. When single bond is there, it is called as methane or ethane. This is our ethene and this is our ethine. Okay, thank you.